The 60-Second Driver.
Manitoba Public Insurance's Driver Safety Rating, or DSR for short, rewards safe driving behavior. Your position on the DSR scale depends on your driving behavior. Drive safely, and you can move up the scale and save money. For each year you drive safely, you will earn 1 merit, up to a maximum of 15 merits.
Unsafe driving behavior, such as speeding, at-fault collisions, or impaired driving, will move you down the scale and cost you money. The more serious the driving conviction, the more you'll step down the scale and the more it'll cost you on your driver license premiums.
For example, distracted driving by using a handheld device will get you 5 demerits, while driving impaired can get you 10 demerits.
So drive safely and get in the green.
For more driving tips, watch The 60-Second Driver Thursdays at 6 on CTV News. Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance.